In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CoinTracker crypto price tracking app. By the end, you'll know how to set up your account, connect your wallets and exchanges, view your portfolio, track real-time prices, monitor performance, customize what you see, and export reports for record keeping and taxes. Start by heading to CoinTracker and creating an account. Choose the plan that fits your needs. The free tier is great for basic tracking and getting comfortable with the layout. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the control center for everything you'll do next. Next, connect your wallets and exchanges so your balances and prices update automatically. In the app, go to Wallets, then select Add Wallet. Pick from major exchanges or self-custody wallets. For exchanges, use the secure read-only connection method offered in the app. For wallets, you can paste a public address to pull in balances without exposing sensitive information. Take a moment to double check the accounts you're linking and give the system a minute to sync. You can always return here later to add more sources or refresh connections. Once syncing is complete, open your portfolio dashboard. Here you'll see your total portfolio value, the 24-hour change, your profit and loss, and how your assets are allocated across different coins. It's a convenient snapshot that brings Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other tracked assets into one place. If something looks off, confirm that all your accounts finish syncing. To dive deeper into prices, go to Portfolio and click any asset. You'll get live price updates, historical charts, and a clear view of performance over time. Use the chart timeframes to understand short-term moves versus long-term trends, and review gains or losses for each asset to see what's driving your results. For performance monitoring, focus on daily gains and losses, all-time returns, and the relationship between your cost basis and the current price. Cost basis is what you originally paid, including fees, and comparing it to today's price helps you understand unrealized profit or loss and make informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding. You can tailor the view to your needs. Filter by a specific wallet or exchange to isolate activity, switch date ranges to analyze daily, monthly, or yearly performance, and narrow down to particular coins to reduce noise and stay focused. When you're ready to export, use the built-in reporting to generate CSV files or tax-ready forms. CoinTracker can automatically calculate capital gains based on your transactions, which helps streamline your record keeping and tax preparation. That's it. With these steps, you're set to track prices and your portfolio confidently in CoinTracker.